It is Sunday evening. What are you guys doing? I'm heading on the road. Are you coming with me? You know, more I ask you know. I'm gonna show you something as I pass right here, so I see the whole heap of grave there. Let me turn on the phone. When I look on the house them close to the grave. Tell me if you know would actually live at their house there. I want to ask you that something here for a while there. Every time I drive past the whole heap of grave them, I actually see the house them right behind the grave. I'm like, damn, you could have never get me live with them whole heap of duppy there. No sir. That will never happen. Look how close the house them there to the grave them where people live. One whole heap of duppy. Yeah, hit the road guys. Today is Sunday evening. Bless up on yourself and drive.